At Top Notch Plumbing and Drain Cleaning, we consider your plumbing emergency our plumbing emergency. We strive to provide the highest level of services and ensure the complete satisfaction of all our customers. Whether you have a dripping faucet that's driving you crazy, or you need a trusted plumbing team to help with your home remodeling project, you can rely on us to provide superior plumbing services. We take pride in our work and the value of the services we provide to homes and businesses in the Lake Norman, North Carolina area. Give us a call today.